Good morning. It's Roadblock, reporting live from the Appalachian Trail. Today is day 25. I'm headed to Weary Feet Hostel for a Nero. 6 point some miles, like 6.5 maybe. 6.5, 7, something like that. Anywho, it's gonna be a good day. Nice weather. Let's go hiking.
Is it too early for an ice cream sandwich?
It's too cold for...
Oh, yeah, I know. It's a little better in the afternoon.
Yeah. I was just offered an ice cream sandwich by the ice cream man, who apparently that's his trail magic thing. I would love an ice cream sandwich if it was 20 degrees warmer. He's like, is it too early? I'm like, it's not too early. It is too cold though. My hands are freezing. My body has not warmed up yet, but now I'm climbing, so I think it'll warm up. It was a nice offer. Last night at the shelter, I had my second fall. They had all these tree stumps sitting in front of it, like sitting stools or steps. And I tried to use one as a step to get in the shelter. And of course it went flying out from under me. Anyway, I'm sure I'll have some bruises, but it wasn't a catastrophe. I'm on the climbing section of the day. I think this is Brushy Mountain. We'll see if there's a view. .3D web. That's pretty. The grass is almost as tall as me. Did I say grass? I did. I'm listening to a book, and the woman is Australian. The grass is almost as tall as me. There's supposedly a shortcut up here to the hostel. Oh, I bet this is it.
I didn't notice that before.
No.
So,
The Weary Feet mailbox?
No, the little thing down here.
a little sign on the...
Did you say your vehicle is here?
Yeah.
Nice.
So I know it's too early for a room, but I'm hoping that she'll get us.
Made it to Weary Feet Hostel. So I got to the Weary Feet Hostel pretty early. It was probably like 10:30. It was about a 6.5 mile hike today. And I'm staying in a twin bed, and there's gonna be spaghetti for dinner, and I took a shower. My hair's still pretty purple. It's not as bright, but it's hanging on. And then I will stay here the night, And then tomorrow I could walk 15.5 miles to the next hostel, which is Woods Hole, and stay there. I'm like a whole day ahead of schedule. I was trying to get to Pearisburg by Saturday, but I could theoretically get there by Friday. Decisions. Yeah, so I'll give you a little bit of a tour. I'm somewhere, this hostel is somewhere near Bland, Virginia, or Bastion, Virginia, or Bland, Virginia. I'm not sure. Pearisburg is the next town up. We have a really nice property. They're right by a creek. You can camp down in the field there. And it's a pretty old farmhouse. That building is an outdoor bunk house. And then inside the house, which was built in the early 1900s, there's a downstairs bathroom, an upstairs bathroom, dining room. They have a pretty big industrial-sized kitchen. And then the rooms are upstairs with lots of beds, and one of the rooms does have bunks, but a lot of the rooms have like full beds and twin beds. And you can rent a whole room, or you can rent a bed for the night. It's really nice. Quite nice. So, right when you come into the foyer, they have snacks for sale, cold drinks. Oh, fruit. I wonder if the fruit is for sale or if it's free. And then in here is the dining room. And look at this. They have like a cake thing. And then over here, you have more things for resupply. Toaster, coffee maker, microwave, fridge, another resupply closet with everything that you could dream of. Oh, but they don't have any Spam. I like Spam a lot. A bit of a first aid resupply. And then there's the kitchen. They have a deep fryer. I had chicken tenders and French fries for lunch. And there's spaghetti for supper. So dinner cost $12, breakfast is $8, and lunch was $8. But I have leftovers. And then one of the downstairs bathrooms with shower. They have a den. It's a big old farmhouse. And then back here, you get to do your laundry. You can tent camp here or get a bunk or a twin bed. And then you can also just buy a day pass for $8 and do your get a shower and do your laundry. And then it's quite a large house. Up here there are 4 bedrooms on the second floor. This is one of the bunk rooms. And then there's a married couple staying in that room. But I think even the rooms that are booked as private also have multiple beds. And then there's a second bathroom here. And this is the room that I'm staying in, which has 3 beds plus the big bed. My friend Double G is staying in the big bed. I could have taken the big bed, but I don't need the big bed. And he's 69. I figure I'd let him have the bed, seniority, and all that jazz. So yeah, that's the end of day 25. Well, this will be the end of day 25. I'm tired. I might take a nap. And we'll see where tomorrow takes me. If I decide to push through, and I can hostel hop again for the end of my trip, which is fun. And it's not like that on the whole trail. It's just happened to work out. Like, and I had no idea that this is how it was gonna work out, but yeah, it's been fun. And why not hostel hop? Why not? They're cheaper than cheap motels, and there's hospitality and friends and people to hang out with. Right, okay. I'll see you tomorrow.